Good morning children, welcome back to e-learning classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School. Hope you all are safe. So let's begin our chapter number 4. Topic is determiners. Words that come before nouns to clarify the meaning of noun is called determiners. For example, this is our planting ground. That dog is mine. Children, your textual definition is determiners are words that are used with nouns to clarify the noun. They can clarify something or someone. For example, this woman, that baby, all animals. The amount of people, things, or other nouns. For example, some people, no sugar, few birds. Or showing possession, my father, your school, their cow, our house. Something or someone specific, the horse, the dog, the book. Something or someone not specific, for example, a girl, an engine, any group. Types of determiners. There are different types of determiners. The type of determiner depends on the type of noun. For suppose singular nouns, we always need a determiner. We do not say class has 4 walls. Rather, we say the class has 4 walls or a class has 4 walls. But for plural, the determiner is optional. If you say yes or no, it's okay, fine. For example, we can say the birds migrate in winters or make a general statement saying birds migrate in winters. For uncountable nouns also the determiner is optional. For example, we can say this milk or the milk tastes strange today. Or we can say milk is very healthy for children. There are about 50 different determiners in the English language. Some of them are articles, demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, numbers, distributives, interrogatives. Articles we use as determiners are a, an, or the. Demonstratives are this, that, these, those. Possessives are my, our, your, his, her, theirs, its. Quantifiers are a few, a little, much, many, a lot of, most, some, any, enough. Numbers we say are 1, 10, some, any, many, a few, all, several, each, every, either, neither, etc. Distributives all, both, half, either, neither, each, every, only. Children, either, neither, we can pronounce either, neither also, and either, neither. Both are correct. Children, don't get confused with the determiners. I'll explain you in detail. The first one is articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. For specific, we use the. For unspecific, we use a or an. Determiners plus noun means article plus noun. Next is demonstrative. These are used to indicate the position or location of a noun. For singular, we say these, that. For plural, we use these, those. This is for near and that far from us. These near, those far from us. Use them like this book, that book, these boys, those boys. Next is possessives. It is used to show the possession of the thing referenced by the following noun and tells us who owns something. Means you want to say the belongingness or who is the owner of the thing, then we use possession. My book, his, her, its, our house, their house, your house. Children, now the next one is interrogatives. They are used to ask questions. We can ask question with these determiners: what, which, whose. What is your name? Which book is yours? Say whose book is this? Children, the next one is quantifier. These are used to modify a noun to indicate its quantity. Means how many, how much. Now here children, how we can use how many with countable things, but the things which we cannot count, we say how much. Any, many, much, some, a few, and few others. You can have a look at the examples of quantifier. Some are used only with countable and some only with uncountables, while others can be used with either of them, means whether with the countable also and uncountable, both we can use them. I'll clear this with giving some more examples. Countable words we use many, a few, several, a number of, a majority of. For uncountable we use less, little, much, a large amount of. And for both countable and uncountable nouns we use some, any, enough, a lot of, or lots of. And the next one is numbers. Children, these determine the exact quantity of the noun they precede and also determine the order and position of something. Numbers are divided into two parts, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal determiners are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Ordinals are we have to arrange them in order, means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and so on. Children, we can have few more examples. Cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3. She bought 2 pens. My 2 friends are Simran and Mary. For ordinal numbers, we can say she got first prize. I purchased second book. And children, the last one is distributive. These determiners refer to a group of people or things and to individual members of the group, or they express how something is distributed, shared or divided. Means distribution. Distribution means division, dividing something. All, both, half, either, neither, each, every. Clear? Children, in your textbook page number 14 there are few blanks. You have to fill them with appropriate determiners. My name is Jivan. This is my friend. Means my, and these are possessive determiners. Okay? And children, the rest of the blanks are already done. You can have a look. Clearly I have explained you the determiners, whether possessive or distributive or interrogative. You can see in the first one, my, its, his, these all are possessive. The is personal, her, his, these all are possessives. Your is also possessive. Number 2, fill in the blanks with appropriate determiners. The first one you can see, children, Vicky has many candies. Here candies we can count. It is not uncountable, so we use many. But if whether there is milk or sugar, we should say much sugar or much water. Okay? Karan doesn't have any money. Now when the sentence is negative, we don't say many or much, we say any. To the rest of the blanks also you can have a look. Now children, on the next page there is fill in the blanks with few, a few, little or a little. I waited for a few minutes and then left for the performance. The next one is we have little chance of winning this match. Means not much, it is not enough. So little, we use little for not having enough thing. Number 4, fill in the blanks with both, either, neither or other. Both you already know, children. Either means anyone, neither means nothing, other means some another thing only. Neither of my parents will be attending the meeting, means no one will come. Neither means nobody. This is the first book I gave you. Where is the other book? Means there is some other book also. He is asking for the another one. So children, the rest of the blanks you can have a look. Hope you all understood the concept clearly, and I'll send you the answers through the PDF soon. Till then, stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.